My name is Sahiti Orala, and I live in Texas, USA. I work for TCS as a software engineer. I went through Google reviews. I didn't know anyone who was with Wealth Munshi before. I did my research and I saw good reviews about Wealth Munshi online. So that's what made me reach out to you. A good financial advisor, like YouTube videos, Google reviews, and your website. I went through that. Everything smooth, no challenges. As I was doing it from the US, there was some paperwork, so it took time for that. But apart from that, there was nothing pending with Wealth Munshi or nothing um, with Wealth Munshi. It was just a process that I was in a different country. Guys send me the tutorials and videos up to date, and you all are like very patient with me, like even my timings or any questions, or even if I have any even when I wanted to explore other options like real estate or something, you were like very acceptable for all of those things and gave me good guidance, and I never felt it was a there was any rush or anything in doing all of that. It was everything was a smooth process. For me, it was the planning. Like according to my goals, there was a good planning. Like you guys gave me a good options where I could choose from. The last decision was mine. By your guidance, I took that decision, and I felt I got all the options, and I. It was not that you just gave me one or two options and I chose it from it, but I also got very number of options. So it made it easy, and um, I was also good that I'm looking at other options too, and I'm not restricted. Yeah. So for me, it is the relationship building between the advisor and me, and also uh, clarity and peace of mind, and and a good guidance, where I can rely on like experienced advisors like you. So before Wealth Munshi, I didn't know where to invest and where to start. At least I didn't know the process, or which was a good option for me. I can do research on my end, but I also wanted some professional to help me out. So that was like an eye opener for me. Like after Combo, like there was a proper understanding of my previous investments where I did, and Wealth Munshi also suggested me like what could be my what should be my how should be my portfolio for my goals or for my target to reach. You had like a very good organization, like where you have a proper process in place, and as Wealth Munshi is in business like from past few years, so there's a proper process, and also I felt that the Google reviews and even the comments on your YouTube videos are very good. I felt that there's that you're doing the work good, so that's the reason like you also have very good reviews when compared to others. Like as you're suggesting mutual funds in India, if you'll suggest also in another country like US or another countries too, and help us in that process also, it would be really great. I know that you told me that your team is working on that, and yeah, but if it happens soon, then it would be really helpful. She would be in a very good place because of all the services you provide and the clarity which you give, and you understand your customers well, and yeah, and also you experienced. I think you would be in a very good place 10 years from now, and it's like a win-win situation for us both, like the Wealth Munshi and also the customer. So yeah, it would be a win and win for both.